Hello and welcome to the Microphotonics Tip of the Month for September 2024. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a one-time backup of your CodeMeter license information. So to begin, you need to be on the host computer for your CodeMeter license, which is connected to NRecon 2.0. If you're still using NRecon 1, this video is not for you, but if you have moved on to NRecon 2, then this is applicable to you. You want to go ahead and open your CodeMeter Control Center software. You can use that by going to your toolbar and finding the little circular icon, or you can search for CodeMeter Control Center app through Windows 10 or 11. Once you have this open, you want to verify that you do see an active license. This will confirm that you are connected to the host computer for the license. While many computers in your laboratory may be running NRecon 2, only the host computer is going to be the one you need to use to do the backup. So if you do not see an active license, it's likely that you're using a sub-licensed computer and not the host computer at that point, and you need to go and find the host computer. In most cases, this will be the computer that was originally provided with your SkyScan instrument. Once we've identified that we have an active license on our host computer, our next step is going to be to open Windows File Explorer. From here, we're going to navigate to our C drive, and by default, you probably won't see the folder you need to see. So in order to do that, we need to go up in File Explorer and click on View, and we want to be able to view hidden items. Now you'll see some new folders have shown up that have these kind of ghosted icons. For today's project, we're going to be working inside the Program Data folder. So if you double click on Program Data, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of subfolders here, but the one that's of interest for us is going to be this CodeMeter program. Now all we need to do is right click, say copy, and then we need to find an external storage location. So in this case, I'm going to move over to a network attached drive. You could use a thumb drive, anywhere that's not on the same hard drive. You want to move it to a secondary location. Go ahead and paste this file in. It's pretty small, all told, only about 50 megabytes. And then you've completed the backup process. Hopefully in the future, in the unfortunate event of a hard drive failure with data loss, having this backup stored in a secondary location away from the main hard drive on the computer will hopefully allow you to restore access to NRecon 2 much more quickly. As a reminder, we always recommend backing up your SkyScan folder, which is located on your C drive. We recommend backing this folder up on a monthly basis as well. Whereas the CodeMeter folder, if you back it up one time in the same external location as the SkyScan folder, that should be sufficient. If you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Microphotonics. We would be happy to help. If not, happy scanning.